How are we doing, guys? Justin Savage here with MarineMax Venice. Today we're on board a 2026 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Just want to walk through the boat a little bit and point out some fun features. This one is going to be equipped with twin 250 Verados. It's a nice boat at 29 feet, having twins, very maneuverable. As we move in, you can see we have a nice sun pad back here with tons of storage underneath it. This lever actually opens up what I call the coffin. So you can throw all your life jackets and towels and things like that, keep it out of the way and keep the clutter out of the cockpit. As we make our way in, you can see that it's a nice open walkway into the boat. This one is going to be equipped with the summer kitchen option. So you have a nice fridge, nice electric cooktop, freshwater sink. So if you are out on the water in the sandbar, it's nice to have a little setup there. There is a ton of storage under here as well. Again, more storage for any kind of beach stuff like that you want to keep out of the way, so it doesn't really clutter up the interior of the boat if you have a big family coming out with you. You can see a nice wraparound seating here, flip back headrests. So you can flip these both forward and kind of have everyone in the conversation here while you're hanging out, and then obviously flip them back if you're out cruising around side by side with your significant other. Here, this one is set up with a nice large display. Stereo controls right here. Everything's nicely labeled, so no question on what does what. Your joystick operating, obviously your throttles and everything right there. This one does come equipped with a relatively large head. So instead of being an infant, a full-size adult can fit in there. And then you have a light switch, interior light, things like that inside. And true to the SDX line, you have a very large bow. So it's going to feel kind of like a deck boat, but still kind of like that nice running deep V-hull. But nice large layouts with armrests, in-floor storage. You do have a windlass anchor with this as well. It's very well equipped. You have a nice hard sports tower with the inlays that match the hull side, so it kind of brings the color up. It's very tastefully done. It is here in stock in Venice, so come in and check it out. We'd love to talk to you, get you out on the water. Thanks, guys.